Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2018 Ford Flex in a limited trim and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with plenty of power for getting around with excellent fuel efficiency as well. And with all-wheel drive capabilities, you're going to be able to get around pretty well in the changing weather conditions. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking in the back, where you have a nice power liftgate that opens up and out of the way for you. Looking into the back, where you have your third row seating that can be folded flat for some nice cargo room, or you can have it folded up so you have two more seats in the back for a total seating of 7 in this vehicle, with their own cup holders and little compartments as well. And you have some nice power controls here so that you don't have to fiddle around with pulling any straps to put your seats up, and that does close again with another simple press of a button. And now looking in the second row, where you have seating for 3 with a nice full leather interior, and in the middle you have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, as well as 2 more cup holders down here with a kind of little storage compartment there. And you have your rear climate controls here with a 12-volt and 110-volt power outlet, so that's always nice too. And fitted rubber floor mats throughout the vehicle. Do actually also have some rear sunroofs up here too, which the back passengers can open or close, totally up to them, so that's nice. And this vehicle does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, power folding mirrors, and 2 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, pedals, steering wheel, and mirrors. And now sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 39,949 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, as well as your controls for your right info screen here, where you can look at your audio, navigation, or phone information. Oops. And on the left side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise controls here with an adjustable gap from the vehicle ahead of you, and your controls for your left screen here, where you can look at information such as your digital speedometer, distance to empty, your RPMs with oil temperature, I believe, and then back to speedometer. But you can also look at your trip 1 and 2 information, your fuel economy, so fuel economy and fuel history, driver assist settings for your traction control, blind spot monitoring, and cross traffic, as well as rear park aid, trailer sway, plenty of information there, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle in general. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CD, and Bluetooth, I believe. Let's just confirm that. It is. And then you have your digital climate controls with dual front climate, heated and air-conditioned front seats with 3 stages each, and a heated steering wheel. So you have plenty of options to remain comfortable in no matter the weather or climate, really. Then you have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. But you do also have 360 sensors around the vehicle to alert you if you're about to hit anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and hopefully have an easier time hooking up a small trailer or something of the sort. Do have a Sony sound system in this vehicle as well, so your audio is going to sound pretty good. But moving on from that, you have your physical, media, and climate controls here, once again with dual front climate, so that's always nice. Then down below, you have a cubby here with your parallel park assist button there, so that's helpful too. Then you have your main shifter with select shift. You have paddle shifters on the wheel, so you can manually shift through your gears on the go. Then you have 2 cup holders, cubby, and your center compartment / armrest, which does have plenty of space inside, including 2 USBs and another 12-volt power outlet, so you can plug something in from there too. And then last but not least, you have the front portion of your sunroof, so you can open that up for a nice breeze or just to let in the sunshine, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.